Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the most important question and very common question in strategy: will I get IIM or not? Fine, the two main common questions: will I get IIMs or is it too late to start preparing for the exam? Fine. So after lecture, normally student ask me, for example, after just completed my class, and one student approached me and said, "Sir, मुझे IIM मिलेगा कि नहीं?" Fine, I'm always confused to answer these kind of questions because there are a lot of things involved in getting a call from IIMs. Fine. So answer for this is obviously depends on a lot of things. So on your face value, I cannot say what you are, what are your academic record. I have to see everything, what you have been doing, fine, to give an answer. So that's why I give very simple answer. Karam karo, phal ki ichha mat karo. Your target is to score. Fine. And then second thing is a lot of friends will ask you that he could not, your seniors who tried to give CAT last year, I could not get a call because I had no work X. I could not convert a call because I have no work X. Other friends will say, I couldn't get a call, I couldn't convert a call because I have too much work X. Someone will tell you that his academic record is not good. Someone will tell you his comm skills is not good. This is basically the blame game going on. We are Indian students. We always put the blame on somebody else. If I couldn't do well in the exam, it's because of the little electricity which was gone, or because the book which was torn, is because of something or the other, because the teacher who could not teach me well. Person will never take a blame on himself, which is fine as well, because I've spent 40-50,000 on the coaching classes. I've gone through all this thing. I know back of the mind that I was not prepared at all, but I would like to put the blame on something else. Fine, because we can't accept the failure as our problem. So if your senior is advising this thing, trust me, there's more into this than that statement saying that his comm skills are not great and this thing is not good. I've seen people who did well in the CAT exam, got 99 percentile, but couldn't convert even a single call. 12 IM calls, couldn't convert even a single call because of his comm skills. Fine. I called him in the lecture to talk to our other students, how he prepared, got 99 percentile. He couldn't even speak well English nicely and telling everybody I could not get call because work X. वाह, academic अपना तुम कैसे इंग्लिश बोल रहे हो तुमने बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. Are you getting the point? So in this video, I'm going to talk about which are the main factors you need to worry about to do your MBA from a good college. Alright, so let's look at this breakup. This is a breakup taken from the IIM Bangalore website. CAT weightage is only 40%. Fine, 10, 12, 20%, 10%, bachelor's 20%, gender diversity 2%, and work X 8%. Now there are 6 criteria which we already know, which are there for admission. Plus you need to cross the cutoff for session cutoff for quant, verbal, logic, and overall. So 10 things they have already said. These are the 10 things we are going to take care of while giving you admission, while giving you a call for GDPI. Then there will be a VAT, PI. So 12 things are there in front of us which will decide whether you're going to join IIM or not. But the problem is you want to know that answer to will I get the IIM is not just asking about मेरे को IIM मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा. The main thing what student is asking is basically कि मुझे MBA में मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा. In short, what I feel is a student is little scared about his MBA preparation. Fine, he's kind of lost his track. He don't know where he is going. That's why this question come to mind. Are you getting what I'm trying to say? Fine. So in this video I'm trying to answer this question in what exactly and where exactly we are going to reach. ठीक है. So first thing first, your target have to be 99 percentile. ठीक है, वर्क एक्स है नहीं है, academic record बेकार है, poor है, target 99 percentile. But if you get 99 percentile plus, trust me, 90% of the B schools in India will give you a call, irrespective of your background. Fine. First thing first, target should be 99 percentile in CAT, SNAP, CET, whichever exam. Okay. Number 2, your comm skills have to be good. Your GDPI you should be able to manage. If you're able to manage your GDPI, trust me, again, no problem at all. फिर वो academic record कम है, ये कम है, वो कम है, they're all secondary things. Number 3, academic record should be decent. Fine. Even if you have a slightly decent, means 60 plus academic record, you'll have no problem doing your MBA from a good college. Number 4 is extracurricular activities. Fine. If you have been participating in inter-college events or at job you are doing some extracurriculars, please carry on doing that, or do something, hobbies, make some hobbies, because this will help you say something in the interview. All right. So they are again very important to develop you as a person, as an individual. Okay. All right. So first thing first, I want you to target. अब वो करना क्या? Marketing, finance, operations, HR, IT. Fine. This can change. You can change this later on. But right now, pause this video and imagine a dream profile. For example, if I dream about myself, I would like to dream myself in a bank. So for me, it's finance. It can be marketing for you, operation for you. Second thing I want you to target is a dream company. For example, after finance, I want to join HSBC Bank. That's my dream company, dream job. HSBC Bank is offering an assistant vice president position if you are doing your MBA from a good college. I'm not using the word I am here, I'm talking good college. It can be Jamnal Bajaj, it can be SP Jain, it can be any of the top 10 B schools, HSBC Bank, with a salary of 18 lakhs per annum and profile of your choice. Okay, this is my target. If I want to do marketing, joining Pepsi is my target. If I'm doing operations, working in consulting firm is my target. Fine. If I'm doing IT, to Accenture Management Consulting Group is my target. Whichever company, dream one company. Think big. Fine. Kia dream? Pause the video. Okay. If you already have dreamed about this, now I want you to start imagining. Are you getting it through IIMs or you are getting through non-IIMs? नहीं फर्क पड़ता. ठीक है. Let's get out of the habit of that IIM is the end of the world. I'm going to do my MBA. That's my target, irrespective of the top 10 colleges. Obviously, CAT will be my target, my first target, but we'll look at other exams as well. Okay. So if you're taking care of all these 5 things, trust me, is more than sufficient. All right. All right. So our target have to be these 3 things: 99 percentile, GDPA focus, and extracurriculars. If you have these 3 things, irrespective of your work experience, less work experience, more work experience, you will sail through. You will get a good package, a good profile after your MBA. वो चाहे IIM Ahmedabad से achieve हो या SP Jain से achieve हो, that all depends on God. So अपना कर्म करो, फल की इच्छा मत करो. So let's focus on what we are here for, that is preparing for the exams. Alright, so if you have any more questions with me, you can ask me on Facebook. So please add me on Facebook. So facebook.com/Ravgan, that's my page. Download the last year CAT CET papers from this link. If you plan to join us, you can join us for the online program or the classroom programs for shortcut workshops, books, or mocks. Alright. So please do subscribe to my video. I'm going to post more videos in the coming future so that you can get access to all those videos. Please see this CAT video to start your preparation for the CAT exam. Download the last year paper. This is very, very important to go through the last year paper before you start while you're preparing for the exams. And this is a link for our CET programs, which we have at CET. All right, thank you.